all, welcome or welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. For today's video, I've gotten these amazing pair of jeans from Freakins. You guys already know that Freakins is a very good brand for jeans and it's like a very renowned famous brand, and I have ordered so many jeans from them in the past as well and recently as well. So I thought let's just make a haul and let me just show you what are the must-have jeans that you should have. Starting with the black jeans that you have over here. This is a black color ka jeans, unique style to it, which is the side zip line that you have over here. So this is not just a normal zip line. When you see in the bottom, you have the zip, and then when you open the zip, it will give you this another portion which is of this maroon sort of color, and then isko bhi aap open kar sakte ho and it becomes even more wide leg. So it is a very unique piece that I have over here. मुझे इतनी पसंद आई थी ना यार, ये इतनी unique है और इतनी cool type की है. It's already pretty wide leg like this, but then if you open up like this, it becomes even more wide leg and it gives you such a street style look. It will look so good with a white tank top or maybe a maroonish tank top if you want to pair with that. Super duper thick. It's like a proper denim material, slightly more cotton type का material, तो stretchability इतनी नहीं है. You can wear it for like years and years and ये खराब नहीं होने वाली, इतनी अच्छी thick material का है. Next up, I have my most favorite and most worn jeans from Freakins, which is this bell bottom jeans in this mid blue sort of color that you have over here. Oh my god, the fit when I actually got it, it's actually from last year I think so. So when I actually got this jeans, it was fitting me like a glove. So ऊपर में ये एकदम ही high waisted है, and then पीछे की तरफ यहाँ पे आपको एक ऐसे band type का मिल जाएगा, which is a very unique feature again. And then you have it slightly narrower type का ही है, बहुत ज़्यादा wide leg नहीं है because this is like a bell bottom style. And नीचे में जाके हल्का सा flare, you can see it's not like very flared, but it's like a slight flare, and it looks super cute, super amazing. And the material is also very stretchable वाला material and very soft material. Like you can sit in this jeans for like long hours. ये इतना मस्त है. Okay. Next up, I have this brown color jeans from them, which is like a cotton material का brown color का jeans, which is like a wide leg jeans. Oh my god, this is super high waist and it will like properly just hug your waist इतने अच्छे से ना. You will feel so amazing when you will wear this because it's a very good material. हल्का सा cotton type का material है. It doesn't give you a lot of stretch, but the fit is perfect. And by the way, I have gotten all of these in the size 28 waist. Color of this brown color is not like brown, it's more like a chocolate brown sort of color, and it will look so good with like white tank top or maybe in a brown color का shade का कोई top होगा या फिर किसी के साथ भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. And it's a proper straight leg and like wide leg kind of style. So it's like a baggy wide leg yet with a very super high waist. So इतना smart लगता है with white sneakers and everything. It looks very stylish and I love this one. It's one of the staples that you should have. I think so. A mid blue, light blue, black and something around brown and beige is something, these 5 colors you should definitely have in your wardrobe all the time. And by the way, apart from these jeans, I've tried out something new. So since this is like a summer season, so I try out a lot of different sunscreens, and I have these 2 sunscreen from the brand called Atulya that is very good for this season. First of all, the reason why I got attracted to this so much is when I was trying it out, it left no white cast. It is literally 0 white cast. So let me just tell you about it. So the first one that I have is this Atulya Cica and Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Light Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 PA 4 times plus rating, which will give you a lot of protection. When I'm applying it on my face, it's like super lightweight formula and it ensures a very comfortable feel on the skin and leaving no white cast whatsoever. And this is why I love using this on a daily basis, By the way, this is super amazing for oily and acne prone skin type because this will give you a slightly semi-matte sort of finish, and also it has soothing ingredients like Cica and hyaluronic acid that brings down the, it just calms down the irritation on your skin and everything. It will soothe out your skin. And the next one that I've got is their vitamin C and D Panthenol Dewy Radiance Sunscreen. This one again has SPF 50 PA 4 times plus rating, has ingredients that brightens up the skin tone and boosts the overall skin and gives more like radiance to it. It is also infused with antioxidant to combat free radicals and prevent environmental damage, keeping your skin very youthful. And this one is more of like a dewy finish, and it will give you a more radiant look to the skin. So the people who are have like this very dull or pigmented skin, who are looking more for a glowy hydrated look, this is for you. Both of them are very similar in texture, but the finish is slightly different. I've been loving using this sunscreen in this season particularly because I hate the oily feeling that it gives, क्योंकि मेरी combination skin है, तो you know जो T zone का area है ना, वहाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऐसे oiliness मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So that's why I have been using this on a daily basis and I like it. So you guys should also, you know, check it out. I'll leave the link for this down below in the description box. And let's get ahead with our other jeans that we have. And next up I have another jeans over here, which is like slightly ऐसे mid waist का ये jeans. It's not like very long length, it's slightly mid waist, and it was very different from something that I've worn in my past as well. So this is in a dark blue shade, and नीचे की तरफ ना ऐसे flare type का आपको मिल जाएगा. काफ़ी ज़्यादा flare है, like a long length भी काफ़ी long है, and flare भी काफ़ी अच्छी है इसकी, but medium waist type की इसकी वो होगी. It's not like very high waisted like the other ones, but I absolutely love it. It's very unique. Like इसका जो stitching pattern है जो आप सामने देख सकते हो, इसका stitching pattern is very different from anything else that I've seen before. And पीछे में भी इसकी stitching pattern थोड़ी सी different है, बीच में ऐसे एक stitching दिख रही है. तो अगर आपको flare वाला पसंद है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो आप ये ले सकते हो. मुझे तो पर्सनली फ्लेयर वाले जीन्स काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है, तो मैंने इसके वजह से इसे मंगवाया था. एंड आई डोंट हैव अ वेरी डार्क ब्लू कलर मेरे पास नहीं था, तो मैंने ये मंगवाया. एंड नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव अनदर जीन्स विच इज़ लाइक अ चारकोल ब्लैक जीन्स, एंड दिस इज अगेन अ बेल बॉटम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टाइल. मुझे इनकी बेल बॉटम जीन्स का कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगता है. नाइस कलर टू हैव इन योर वार्डरोब बिकॉज इट्स स्लाइटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द बेसिक ब्लैक, क्योंकि बेसिक ब्लैक हमेशा शायद नहीं अच्छा लगता है. तो टू जस्ट यू नो वैम्प इट अप अ लिटिल बिट, आई गॉट दिस charcoal black color, and the flare of this one is really cute. It is such a nice bell bottom fit, and it hugs my body, like the lower body, like it just hugs so beautifully. The high waist, the length of it, the soft material and the stretch and everything is so perfect about it. जब high waist होता है तो I need 26 waist size, but this is in the waist size 28, so probably I'll size down in this one. ये मैंने अभी recently ही लिया हुआ है, so I'll probably size down in this one because ऊपर में मुझे थोड़ी सी टाइट फिटिंग लगेगी. लास्टली I cannot go wrong with you know the basic wide leg jeans जो सबके पास होने चाहिए wardrobe में, because it literally goes with everything that you wear. And then again it has slightly more like a ripped sort of detailing यहाँ पे, and थोड़ी सी ऐसे tone detailing भी है यहाँ पे. But I love the color of this one. इसमें थोड़ी सी shading है from light blue to the dark blue sort of color. And then ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा high waisted भी है. कैसा होता है कि ऊपर के jeans में जो high waist के एरिया होता है वहाँ पे काफ़ी वो टाइट होता है, नीचे जाके लूज होता है. बट इसका ना overall it's like a loose pant style, like more like a mom's jean style. So I love this one as well. It's a very basic blue jeans that you should definitely have in your wardrobe. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll try to leave the links down below in the description box for all the jeans and as well as the sunscreens that I showed you. So yeah, I'll see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Ta-da, bye bye.